Alright, in this video we'll add search history in our main activity. So let's go to our activity main XML file. Now let's add a vertical linear layout inside our coordinator layout. Layout with match parent, layout height match parent, layout behavior, app bar scrolling view behavior. We need to add this app bar scrolling view behavior because we are inside this coordinator layout and it will put this linear layout below this app bar. Now let's add a relative layout inside this linear layout. The ID is empty history with match parent, height wrap content, gravity center, and visibility is visible. Now inside this relative layout we'll add a text view. Layout with wrap content, layout height wrap content. Text is words you searched most recently show up here. If the history is empty, then we'll show this relative layout, and if the history is not empty, then we'll hide this relative layout. And now let's add our RecyclerView. The ID is RecyclerView history, layout margin 5 dp, layout with match parent, height wrap content, and scroll bars vertical. Now we need to create an XML layout that will be the design for a single item in this RecyclerView. So new XML, layout XML file. File name is history item layout. Finish. We'll use card view, so let's get rid of these. Layout with match parent, height wrap content, foreground, selectable item background. This selectable item background will add a ripple effect when we click the card view. Layout margin 2 dp, clickable is true. Now inside this card view, let's add a text view. The ID is en_word with wrap content, height wrap content, gravity left, layout margin 10 dp, text size 18 sp, text item 1. Now we need to create a history class. New Java class, name history. Okay. Let's add a variable, string variable en_word. Now let's create a constructor and we set this en_word to this en_word. Now a get method, get_en_word. It just returned the en_word variable. That is all for this video.